Let's see if we can catch some fish after a cold front.
You know, today's a lot warmer, but there's a lot more wind. So I don't know if we're gonna catch anything.
A few inches later.
Oop, that's fish. Yep, that's fish. Jeez. On the white chatter. Elite Evo. Not a bad fish to start the day. Little guy. Little shiner. Alright, dead rig time.
One eternity later.
Well, a bit of a rough day, but we didn't get skunked. So thank you guys for watching. We'll go back at it again soon.